Hello! So the other day, I defrost whole chicken. The chicken breast I separate because I'll do a pan-fried chicken breast. And the other part I do pule adobo. So this is our lunch. Ayan. Pan-fried lang. Tapos yan na. Tapos mayroon tayong ito mushroom at ang asparagus ay ihalo lang dito. Igisa lang. Tapos may tomato, onion, garlic. Ayan. Of course, potato. Ayan. Napakaganda. Golden brown. Confusing, mama. Saute this for the vegetable. Yeah, we will saute the tomato. Alsid. We are cooking. Now we will cook our vegetable saute. Again, the onion and garlic. Alsid is watching cooking. Watching cooking. Then we'll put our vegetable. This is high heat 7 or 6. So ayan na, malapit na siyang maluto. Plano kong sahog itong tomato dito. Ayan, mayroon kaming garlic, wild garlic, dahon lang kinuha namin. Ayan namin ang bulb. Hayaan mo na yung bulb na magdami pa sa forest. Okay na tong dahon. So ayan na, hinalo ko yung tomato sauce. Tsaka mayroon itong soy sauce, tsaka sesame oil. So ayan na, kain tayo, maraming gulay, less yung ating rice. Ayan, less carbs, dapat damihan ang gulay. So ayan na, luto na siya, parang kimchi. Tapos mayroon pang Caesar salad. Tapos mayroon pa yan, oh, kain kasi ng maraming gulay. Isa, potato, chicken, and vegetable. Bon appetit! Yan ang akin rice kasi may tira-tira pang rice. Yan. It's yummy! Let's eat! Kakain na to siya ng rice.